I am Amelie with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and I am back again inside of ClickUp. And today I am going to go over ClickUp notifications. So my previous video, I talked about the settings, and one thing I did forget to mention was that your settings are workspace specific. So I did mention that, but one of the things I didn't mention was being a watcher on tasks. So when you create, when you're doing your notifications, you will receive notifications for tasks that you are a watcher on. And you become a watcher on a task when you are tagged in the task, when you're assigned to a task, when you edit the task description or task name, when you comment in a task, when a comment is assigned to you in a task, and when a user creates a task. And then when you or someone else adds you through the icon, then you become a watcher. And I'm going to show you that in a minute. So if you find yourself getting a bunch of notifications that you don't want, you can remove yourself as a watcher on those tasks. But just know that whatever you set these up as, if you're a watcher on the task, you're going to get the notifications for that. So I'm going to go to the notifications center to show you what that looks like. So that's right here on the left-hand side under notifications, and this is what it looks like. So you'll have a new task here. You can give a thumbs up, put an emoji or reaction. You can reply to the message right here. You can even assign the comment, mention someone, mention a task, put an emoji, do the slash commands, which are a bunch of different options of how to put information into the comment. You can even record a clip right here, and it'll populate the link. So that would be something that would replace something like Loom, or you can attach documents. So you can respond to this right inside of the notification. This is, if you have it clicked to all, you're going to see all the notifications. If you click to assign to me, then you're just going to see the things that are assigned to you. So I kind of set this up so that I would have notifications to show. And so here, the reason I got the notification is because I tagged myself from another account into here, and I mentioned one of the other tasks that I set up here. So you can copy the URL from here, and you can even do a remind me, and you can say when you want a reminder. So let's say I want a reminder today, and let's see, I want a reminder at 3 p.m. and I'll just do remind me. So now I have these options. Now what I want to show you from here, you can send it to the tray, which is going to it's going to minimize it for you right down here. But I want to show you the watcher. So stop watching. So really quickly, I'm going to just open this task up and I'm going to show you the little eye. So all those instances that I gave you when you would become a watcher, we'll put you here, and you can unselect, like if I don't want to be a watcher on this task anymore, I can unselect myself or the other person that's on there or other people, and then I won't get notifications about it anymore. If I want to select them. Now, if I had more people in my account here, I could type in their name and add them as a watcher. So basically a watcher is like a follower on that task, okay? Again, you can minimize the task here and it'll just put it right down here in your the lower part of your screen. So I'll just do it. So minimize it. So now it's down here. And again, I can open it back up and there it is. Okay. So in here in the notification center, if you clear anything, it'll go to clear. Obviously, I don't have any clear tasks in here, so it's still there. But any new ones will be here. And you can also see mentions. So if this will tell you when you've been mentioned either in the task description or in the comments of a task. Now, if you just want to see all the tasks of everything that's going on, great. Now, okay, I've seen this. I'm just going to exit out of that to remove it from the tray. And I'm going to go ahead and just clear the notification. So now it's cleared out. But if I need to find it, I can go to cleared to see that. Okay. And there are ways for you to again, you can change your settings if you need to. That was what I showed you in the previous video. And then to get to notifications, you just go back here, and these are all the notifications here. Okay, so that is ClickUp notifications. And next video, I'll be going over ClickUp dark mode. Again, I am Amelie with Systematic Excellence Consulting. And if you are stuck or need some one-on-one support, or maybe you have an extensive project that you're looking to get into ClickUp, or a process that you're trying to get into ClickUp and you need some additional help, please feel free to book a free discovery call in using the link below. Again, thank you so much for watching.